NASA's Opportunity Rover set a record for the longest mission to Mars to date. The robot has been on Mars for 15 years and has made numerous significant discoveries during that time. NASA calls the Opportunity Rover mission one of the most significant NASA missions ever. This is primarily because of the Opportunity Rover's amazing discoveries, which have greatly influenced our understanding of Mars and fueled speculation about the possibility of life there. But what did the Opportunity Rover actually find during its extensive journey across Mars? The Opportunity Rover mission's first objective. The Opportunity Rover's primary objective in 2004 was to conduct explorations on Mars that demonstrated the presence of water. Originally, the mission aimed to geographically explore regions that had already been found by other Mars robots and assessed as possibly containing water. The rover had the chance to investigate a few such places after landing near the planet's equator. In addition to exceeding the 90 days that NASA had initially planned for the mission, the Opportunity Rover set a new record by traveling more than 46 kilometers. The rover completed its mission in 2019 and made important findings in the Endurance crater, located close to its landing site and about 12 meters deep. In 2004, Opportunity explored the Endurance crater by first investigating the individual layers of the crater. Before drilling multiple holes at various spots to further explore the strata, the rover examined several rock formations and came across fault lines. It was believed that the crater impact itself was connected to the formation of these fractures. Additionally, NASA believes that the fault lines might have been caused by water. After a few months of investigating the Endurance crater, Opportunity revealed evidence that saltwater must have been present. This was a remarkable discovery for NASA, as the rover showed that the crater had been repeatedly covered in salty water that eventually dried out. Images taken in 2006 from the Victoria crater. The Opportunity Rover entered Victoria crater and continued exploring it until 2007, when it discovered a number of meteorites, including the well-known meteorite Santa Catarina. More importantly, the rover captured stunning images of the crater to determine its exact structure and location. Additionally, Opportunity discovered the Gilbert site within the Victoria crater, where it identified mineral deposits whose existence had been unknown until 2007. The rover also discovered a hematite ridge, which provided NASA with new information about the rocks on Mars. In July 2009, Opportunity found multiple meteorites in the Meridiani Plain on Mars. One of these boulders, about 70 centimeters in size, was an iron meteorite known as Block Island. In September 2009, the rover discovered the next meteorite, Shelter Island, followed shortly by Marquette Island, also in the Meridiani Plain. All meteorites were analyzed by the Opportunity Rover for their material composition, and NASA believes that they are fragments of a large meteorite that struck Mars long ago, forming the Concepcion impact crater. In 2010, the Opportunity Rover made another amazing discovery on Mars after completing its investigations of the meteorites. The unique feature of the Concepcion impact crater was that it was relatively young and must have developed recently, making it a rare and valuable find. Additionally, the rover discovered a number of black-crusted meteorites that were likely responsible for the crater's formation.